We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more news that we're tracking this morning, where Mauritius Prime Minister Naveen Chandra Ramgoolam hosted a state dinner in honor of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and stated that he is immensely proud and honored on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's accepting his invitation. He also recalled being invited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his first swearing in as Prime Minister in 2014. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi addressed the gathering of the Indian community in Mauritius at a special event held at the Trinon Convention Centre, shared his personal connection with Mauritius, recalling his visit in 1998 to attend the International Ramayan Conference. Let's in fact listen in to what Prime Minister said.
भारत और मॉरिशस पार्टनरशिप केवल हमारे ऐतिहासिक संबंधों तक सीमित नहीं है। ये साझा मूल्यों, आपसी विश्वास और उज्जवल भविष्य के एक समान दृष्टिकोण पर आधारित है। हमारे संबंधों को आपने हमेशा नेतृत्व प्रदान किया है और इसी नेतृत्व के बल पर हमारी साझेदारी हर क्षेत्र में निरंतर मजबूत हो रही है। भारत को इस बात का गर्व है कि वह मॉरिशस का विश्वसनीय साथी है और उसकी विकास यात्रा में अभिन्न सहयोगी है। हम मिलकर महत्वपूर्ण इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं, जो मॉरिशस के कोने-कोने में विकास की अमिट छाप छोड़ रहे हैं। क्षमता निर्माण और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट में आपसी सहयोग के परिणाम गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट सेक्टर में देखे जा रहे हैं। हर चुनौतीपूर्ण समय में, चाहे प्राकृतिक आपदा हो या कोविड महामारी, हम एक परिवार की तरह एक साथ खड़े रहे हैं। आज हमारे ऐतिहासिक और सांस्कृतिक संबंधों ने एक व्यापक साझेदारी का रूप लिया। सबसे पहले मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी के भावपूर्ण और प्रेरणादायक विचारों के लिए हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। मॉरिशस में मिले गरिमामय स्वागत और आतिथ्य सत्कार के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री, मॉरिशस सरकार और यहाँ के लोगों का हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। किसी भी भारतीय प्रधानमंत्री के लिए मॉरिशस यात्रा हमेशा बहुत खास होती है। यह केवल एक राजनयिक दौरा नहीं होता, बल्कि अपने परिवार से मिलने का एक अवसर होता है। इसी आत्मीयता का ऐसा एहसास मुझे उस पल से महसूस हो रहा है जब से आज मैंने मॉरिशस की धरती पर कदम रखा है। सब जगह एक अपनापन है, कहीं प्रोटोकॉल की बाधाएं नहीं है। मेरे लिए ये सौभाग्य की बात है कि एक बार फिर मॉरिशस के राष्ट्रीय दिवस के अवसर पर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में शामिल हो रहा हूं।
Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, of course, a state dinner has been hosted. The Prime Minister has also interacted with the Indian community in Mauritius. Of course, latest developments we're tracking from the Prime Minister's visit to Mauritius. If you could take our viewers through the details that we have, what's already done, what's on the agenda. And again, this is a rather deja vu moment for the Prime Minister as well.
Well, yes, Sabri, Mauritius Prime Minister Naveen Chandra hosted a state dinner in honor of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and stated that he is immensely proud and honored on Prime Minister Modi in accepting his invitation. Also, Mauritius PM welcomed Prime Minister Modi to the country's National Day celebration, expressing his pride and gratitude for the Modi's presence. And he also recalled being invited by PM Modi at his first swearing-in ceremony as the Prime Minister in 2014. And on a personal note, he said that I recall with a great pride and a sense of profound gratitude the unique privilege to kindly honored me by inviting me to your first swearing-in ceremony. And also earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the gathering at the Indian community in Mauritius at a special event and shared his personal connection with Mauritius and recalling his visit in 1998. And he said that I came here in 1998 to attend the International Ramayan Conference. And I still remember the experience that we today and which I experienced a year ago. And the same emotions were witnessed last year when Lord Ram Pran Pratishtha was organized in Ayodhya. The Mauritius government also announced a half-day holiday. And this connection of faith is the base of the friendship between India and Mauritius. And notably, the event saw enthusiastic participation from the Indian diaspora, including student professionals and the people from all walks of life were present there. And also, it was also attended by the several ministers, member of parliament, and other dignitaries from the Mauritius. And PM is on an official visit to Mauritius from March 11 to 12. And also, there will be an important meeting that will also take place. And there will be, Prime Minister will be the chief guest at the National Day celebration. Yes.
All right, Arzu, stay on with us. More breaking news coming in on the broadcast where Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mauritius visit coincides with the